But yeah, let's see. The Nifty Bank already indicating an uptick of about almost 1%. A lot of stocks as well, which are going to be in focus. We're going to start off, of course, with the realty names. The government is now allowed both with and without indexation for property acquired pre-July 23rd. So DLF holds up 3.5% of a gap up for DLF right now. Oberoi Realty, Godrej Properties, let's bring up all of those names because yesterday too you saw that underlying trend and today it seems that it's going to further accelerate in the session. Tata Power, they've posted a healthy operational performance. The EBITDA has seen an uptick of nearly about 22%. We're going to be chatting with the management as well in the due course of the show. There's Lupin too. Both the US as well as the India business have reported healthy growth. The margins are in multi-quarter high of above 22%. So that stock as well will come up for you on your screens. I don't know why our screen is stuck on DLF. If we can just, bring up some of the other stocks as well. Lupin, Tata Power will also just come up for you on your screens right now. There's Chambal Fertilizers as well. The profit has risen 32% and a margin expansion of 400 basis points. Bosch has come out with its numbers. There's PB Fintech as well, wherein the adjusted EBITDA has come in higher by a solid 120%. And the margins also have seen an increase of 200 basis points. So good numbers coming in there. Suzlon, they're looking to acquire a 70% stake in Renom Energy for 600 crore rupees in 2 tranches. So that's another stock which is in focus right now in trade. Bata, that's of course the big eyesore. The EBITDA has seen a downtick of about 23%. Margin has seen a drop of about almost 540 basis points. So that is the other stock which is going to be in focus. East India EIH, that is, that also hasn't posted the best of performance. Earnings have actually weakened. Margins have seen a fall of about almost 60 basis points. So these are a bunch of stocks which are going to be in focus. And Rain Industries, JM Financials, VIP Industries, all a weak set of numbers, and they're all reacting to that this morning. Nikunj, anything that you're spotting?
No, it's just a gap up start and looks like it's actually sustaining. What is interesting here is that, let's say, a Motherson Sumi or a Tata Motors, some of these stocks which in a sense were big casualties on Monday, assuming that it's going to be a complete floodload of global supply for global related companies, that's the one where I think a little bit of recovery seems to be coming in. So I'm not talking about Fusion Finance, please. I'm talking about Tata Motors and I'm talking about Motherson Sumi. Why is Fusion Finance down 20%? Or am I missing on something? Tata Motors is the one which is bouncing back, and then you've got an uptick which clearly seems to be visible in a Bosch. So Kunal, what does it mean for the trade?
So as I said that it's a good bounce back for larger cap names. Tata Motors looking quite strong. Then you have many of the Nifty gainers, ONGC, Coal India, etc. looking quite strong. The Nifty coming back towards 24,250 mark and crossing about those levels. So we'll need to see. Say in the first 1 hour or so, if there is any position rebalancing which happens, or whether there's built up of fresh long positions. Now in terms of opening trade, Tata Motors is something which is looking attractive, especially at a point when the risk reward is very favorable to try and create fresh longs at this 1,030-40 mark where the stock closed yesterday.